Hi friends, I Robin. Welcome to our YouTube channel Star Science. If you've not been subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and share and encourage us. Let's get into the topic. Conduction system of heart. So today we are going to see about the conduction system of a heart. So while drawing the diagram of heart, I'll just explain in detail what is the conduction system of heart. First, where it starts and where it ends. So we'll see in detail of this topic, conduction system of a heart, through diagram. So right now I'm drawing a heart. Conduction system ensures the chambers to stimulate to contract, which makes the heart an effective pump conductivity, and it is a probably rhythmic electric impulses generated or conducted throughout the heart, so causing the rhythmic contractions of myocardium. These are the major functions which happen in the heart through conduction system of heart. So now we are going to discuss what are the components of conducting system of heart. So before that, I want to give you clear structure of a heart where the conduction occurs. So for example, after this we can see if certain people where the conduction system of heart is not working properly, so what they will be having artificially. So we'll see in further discussion of this topic. So right now I'm drawing this heart, and after finishing of this diagram we'll go in detail of the conduction system of heart. So basically right now I'm drawing the interventricular septum, so which is division between the two chambers of right and left ventricles, and obviously we have atrial septum. When SA node fires electrical signal, then both the atrium will contract and sends all the blood into ventricles. So that is the major work of sinoatrial node. So the specific task of this SA node is to send the electrical impulses to all the chambers to make contract, so that the blood will be pumped out of the heart. So these are the major functions of conduction system of heart. So right now we are seeing the diagram. I want to explain by showing the diagram. Here the diagram of this heart shows the four chambers yet not divided. It is divided basically right and left chambers. Right now I'm showing you where the SA node are located. So we have to remember this particular regions, it is situated on the posterior aspects of heart at the junctions of superior vena cava in right atrium, and I have given another dot which is called as AV node. We'll see later. Right now I am dividing the right chamber into and left chamber into two by tricuspid and bicuspid mitral valve. So the blood which is present in atrium, both the atriums, when it has the signal from the SA node, all the blood will be sent to the ventricles. So these are the work of SA node. Right now I'm showing you right atrium, left atrium, right ventricles, left ventricles. These are the four chambers, and this is pulmonary trunk, and this is left pulmonary artery, and next the other side you have to remember about the right pulmonary artery. So when the conduction system of heart occurs, the blood are sent or pumped into other parts of our body and to the lung. So these are the major things happening in this conduction system of heart. So right now I'm showing you right pulmonary vein and left pulmonary vein, and this is aorta, arch of aorta, as I explained in previous lecture, and descending aorta right now inferior vena cava. This is superior vena cava. So we are going to see in detail of this conduction system of heart. So basically, what are the structures which is used for conduction system of heart? Right now I am giving a line on the heart. It is in red color. It is nothing but internodal fibers. Right now we'll see about the SA node. It is nothing but sinoatrial node, which is used for fire electrical signal to all the chambers. So from here it will give the information through electrical impulses all the chambers, and this part is called as AV node. So atrioventricular node. So from SN node, the impulses, electrical impulses, will pass on to nodal bundles, Bachmann's bundle, AV node, bundle of His, and Purkinje fibers. The important thing we have to remember is that the SN node will send the information or electrical impulses to AV node. Before it sends the information or impulses to the AV node, all the blood which is in the atrium, both the atriums, will be sent to ventricles. So as soon as the blood is sent to the ventricles, then the SA node electrical signal will be passed to the AV node. So we are seeing right now, it is called as anterior internodal tract, and middle one it is called as middle internodal tract, and behind it is called as posterior internodal tract. So these all are making the impulses to move on to AV node by making both the atriums. So right now I'm showing you this connection where it will make contract of left atrium. This is called as Bachmann's bundle. So when the fire electrical signal of SA node starts, then it gives to, as most probably, to left atrium, at the same time right atrium. So all the blood, when it sends to the down part, the ventricles, then the AV node receives impulses from the SA node, electrical signals. So after the AV node is situated just beneath the endocardium on the right side of intraatrial septum near the tricuspid wall. It's very important to remember. And it is only conducting the pathway between atrial and ventricular. And next one, we have to remember the force or the rate will be lower than the SA node as we compare. And the electrical impulses now reach to AV node. From there it enters into interventricular septum by atrioventricular bundle of His, and further it divides into two, which is called, when it enters into left, it is called as left bundle of His, and when it enters into right after dividing, it is called as right bundle of hairs. Here I just oppositely I have wrote left and right, and just I will just correct it later. So the main thing you have to remember, the electrical impulses now reached up to bundle of hairs, right and left bundle of hairs. Right now I am just drawing the continuation of this right and left bundle of hairs, which is called as Purkinje fibers. So Purkinje fibers followed by the right Purkinje fibers. So we have to remember, after SN node making both the atriums, emptying of blood into both the ventricles, after it shifts the impulses to AV node, from AV node the electrical impulses will pass on to bundle of hairs and to bundle of right and left bundle of hairs, from there to right and left Purkinje fibers. So as soon as it reaches to this particular places, the signals have reached, and now the exit functions has been complete. So again, SA node fires and make contraction of both atriums, emptying the blood into the ventricles, and AV node will be activated and bundle of hairs, and again Purkinje fibers. Again it will make SA node to fire, and same function as follows regularly. So these are the main functions of conduction system of heart. So when it is not working properly, the pacemaker artificially will be placed in, and so it is surgically it will be inserted into the heart, where it will be doing all the works. So this is the main thing we have to remember, particularly conduction system of heart. I hope this is very much useful for you, and if you want to comment, you can comment on comment section, and do share and subscribe. Thank you friends. Bye bye from Star Science Robinson. Again, do subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.